Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to overcome forgotten account password Google Chrome and Windows 10. So how to overcome forgotten account password Google Chrome and Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Chrome application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of Google Chrome. Here it is on the initial display of the Google Chrome application. To create a new account in Chrome, point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Well, here there is a profile icon. Tap this icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear. There are many choices here. Select Sign in to Chrome. Now here you will enter the account login menu. Enter the email that you will enter into Google Chrome. Now then enter the password. Tap Next. Here you cannot enter the password because it is wrong. To overcome this, tap Forgotten Password. Next, tap Update Password. Now here you are asked to create a new password and re-enter the new password. So, next, tap Save Password. And here tap Continue. So that's it, tutorial how to overcome forgotten account password Google Chrome and Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.